Oh, akala ko si Jared. Putang ina.
Pero
I was
kilala mo
full.
si Big.
Ito,
Yung...
I was
Oh,
calling
wait
him
lang,
my son,
ako muna,
dog.
Ako muna.
Wait,
Ako
wait,
muna.
wait, wait,
Ako muna.
I was calling him
Ako
my...
muna.
Oh, raid. I'm about to raid your ass.
Oh shit,
Hey,
it
yo,
legit
mga
started.
son, let's
Okay,
go.
okay, my bad.
Ragdoll physics ko right now and it's fucking... You fucking shit, bro. Gus and Plat. I hear somebody.
What?
Daddy! Come to daddy! I put! Come to daddy! Shut the fuck up! Okay, let's go. Rush to me. Hello, Akbar! Fucking get... Oh, okay, he dead, bro. Never mind.
Oy, whoa.
Nigga! Sure it's dead.
Hitmark pre, hitmark!
Fuck you, bitch.
Hitmark ulit! Go pa! Go! Likod na. Kaso!
Oh, shit!
Proud. Kaz.
Dayo.
Panlaping yung
Zay Fisticops. Zay Fisticops.
Ng puso mo.
Kumanta siya.
You see that, Tatang?
Yes!
That's for you.
As expected. As expected. You're one of my essence. As I expect.
Essence?
Galing siya sa aking katas. Where you motherfucking gave you born, bro? Ang na, bobo mag-English. Remember one thing. Oh!
I don't wanna fucking talk about it.
Oh!
And wala akong motivation. She hasn't been texting that much. Your mom snap hasn't been texting that
Oh,
much.
nah! Bro. She hadn't text you, right? Labas mo lahat ng galit mo right now.
Oh motherfucker, you freaking motherfucking.
If you choke, you're gay.
No.
Okay, you're gay, man. You know, the reason why I left your mother, cause I went to fucking sell LCD lights.
What?
Yo,
Yes, kill that shit.
some
Bitch.
Why do birds suddenly appear?
What the hell?
para sa Pilipinas! Okay, empty shit. May sniper.
It's not empty, what do you mean?
Para sa Pilipinas!
Yeah, see.
Magwan saan? Oh shit. Bitch ass, sakmak. Here's someone.
Wala. Oh. Bye time, bro.
Tok mo!
Bye time.
Nice one. Diffusing ating isa. Oh! Come on. Lock in, no.
Yo.
That is so...
Glorious, who is the fucking...
There are some bitches washing in here. Oh, fuck. Spam it! 2 plus 2 is 4. Minus 1, not 3 max. Thank you, boys. He dead, nigga. San yun? Putang ina. Yo. Wait lang anak, kalma mo nak, nahihilo ko sa FOB mo. FOB.